Today we are looking at the Kärcher WD5 wet and dry vacuum cleaner. I bought this in the December 2021 sales for £130. It normally retails for around £180. For the best price, click the first link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I will also link it in the comment section below. As you can see, it's got some information on the box. This has an 1100 watt motor and it has a 25 litre bin capacity, and as the name suggests, WD wet and dry, it could be used for both. If you find this video helpful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section, and subscribe to watch more reviews. I have also reviewed many other Kärcher products. If you want to watch them reviews, I will leave a link in the description box below and in the pop-up card. It's got some information there. You get 2 years guarantee with this. Registration, instruction booklet, flow nozzle. It's got a sign on there, so when it's pushed that side, it could be used for dry pickup. And if you're going to do wet pickup, push that way. And we've got two little squeegees that come out. A center suction path. Parking bracket at the back. A fleece bag. We get a 2.2 meter hose. Five caster wheels, a crevice tool that will fit onto the machine. There are two extension tubes inside. Each tube is 0.5 meters in size. They fit into each other. And then the handle would fit in there. Then you'd put your tool in front. Okay, onto the cleaner. The cleaner at the bottom will need to attach the wheels on. I forgot to show you, you could remove the handle as well. You just pinch these grey tabs, twist it and pull. This cover would fit at the back. We get a 5 meter cable. I'm in the UK, mine is a 3-pin one. It's got that button there to remove it, push that down and pull it out. This also has a blow function. If you want to use the blow function, you'd put the hose pipe up here. Has a big on-off switch there, which can be operated wearing gloves. As I showed you before, that parking bracket would fit there. To gain access to the bin, we just pull the handle forward. Just lift it up. That's what the inside looks like. The bag would fit on there. So because it's got that cut out there, you just push it on. That's only for dry pickups. If you're going to do wet pickups, you need to remove the bag first, but the filter stays in for dry or wet pickups. The bin would only go back on one way. To lock it into place, we just lift the handle up. To gain access to the filter, push this grey button down and pull it out. Just pull the filter out. That filter is washable. Make sure it's completely dry before you put it back in. So at the top here, you could see it's got them two round parts there, and that button there is for quick filter cleaning. So if you're using the cleaner without a bag and you're picking up dust and the suction starts to drop, you can do this quick filter clean. You'd put this there and you'd push this 3 times and that should remove any dust or dirt on the filter, and it should increase the suction. I don't know if you picked that sound up, the pitch got high. That means the container is full. As you can see, it's full. So I'll just empty that out and then I'll pick the rest of the water up. This Kärcher WD5 is a solid piece of kit. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.